My brother, right now, if you are not in control of your weight or your gut, then you are not in control of what you put into your body. Every single day, I'm getting 50, 75, 100 emails of men, brothers, telling me the same lie. Hey, coach, I don't really eat that much bad food. Hey, coach, I'm eating a lot of greens. I'm eating fruit. Hey, coach, no, man, I don't really drink that much juice. Hey, coach, man, I only drink alcohol once or twice a month. My brother, no, you don't. I do not understand why men continue to lie to me. And I'm not trying to say you're doing it intentionally. You're doing it because you believe it. So here's the problem. When you believe it, then how we gonna fix the problem? Or the infamous, I tried everything. You tried everything? No, you did not. There's only two things responsible for your weight, two main categories, which is how much food you are putting into your body and how much you're moving your body. So if you come to me and you tell me you're working out 5 days a week, you eat nothing but chicken, greens, and fruit, you don't drink alcohol, you don't drink sugar, and I look at you and I say, but yet your gut is sitting right there, I'm just going to pause and wait. Because there's nothing else to say here. Now I got to try to convince you to tell me the truth, and that shouldn't be the job. If you're coming to me, like think about if you go into a bank, they can see your bank account. So if you go into a bank and let's say the teller's a pretty girl, and you like, man, I got all the money in the world. She can see your account. So when I'm looking at it, bro, I'm like, bro, I can see you. I see your stomach right here. I see your arms right here. Now, I'm not trying to judge you. I'm not trying to call you. I'm not trying to tell you any of the things. You are here talking to me because you got a problem and you don't like the weight. See, if you like the weight, you wouldn't be talking to me. So if we gonna talk, then let's be honest. Right here in this video, no one knows you. No one's judging you. Comment under it and be honest. Everybody's eating crazy. Everybody, majority of the world, especially in America, is eating chips, candy, cookies, pop, drinking alcohol, fried chicken, fried food, McDonald's, Arby's, Wendy's, every single day. 5 to 10 times a day. You go to the gas station. How much money the average person spends at a convenience store per day is anywhere from $15 to $25. You really think they're buying beef jerky and sparkling water? No, it's chips, Little Debbie cakes, juice, pop. So the first realization is you got to understand that you're not in control of what you're putting into your body. You may have tried to be in control. I'm not trying to say you didn't try. I'm just trying to say you're not in control. And if you don't find discipline with food, you're never going to fix the weight. You can lose it. You just gonna gain it back. And when we say discipline with food, we have been practicing. The average brother that I deal with has been practicing these habits his whole life. This is not a few years problem, which is why everybody thinks they can just fix this by following a diet. No, you have been doing these habits. Let's say you're 42 years old. You've been eating chips for 42 years. You didn't just start, you ain't start eating chips when you was 10. You ain't started when you was 15. You started ever since you was a baby, more than likely, and your mom gave you your first chip. And organic apple juice. What's so organic about apple juice? Does that apple juice look like it was squeezed from an apple? It wouldn't look like that. My brother, all of these chips, the sugar, the processed fake food, the fried food, the eating on the go, that is the real problem and the real battle. You can do all the working out in the world. You can fast. You can do intermittent fasting, 16-8, all you want. You just going to eat enough of that bull in that 8-hour period to still not lose weight. If you're not losing weight right now, it is not because of activity. You don't even have to work out to lose weight. You are not losing weight because you're not in control of what you're putting into your body. So here is the solution. For the next 7 days, I want you to not eat, drink any sugar or eat any processed food. 0. Do it for 7 days. I want you to comment on this video right now. What is your weight? And I want you to come back in 7 days and tell me what your weight is. I bet you there's going to be some brothers that lose 10 pounds in these 7 days because that's how much your body has been begging for you to stop. As soon as you stop, that weight is just going to start chopping, dropping, and going down. As soon as you stop. If a brother come to me and say, Coach, man, I've been stuck at a plateau because you went back to putting that BS in your body. You're stuck because you went back to putting that. If you are putting the right things into your body, your weight will consistently fall off. It will consistently drop, and it will drop fast. If you made a vow right now, the craziest thing of them all, hey, I ain't gonna never drink sugar or eat processed food again, you will be down. Let's say you got 100 pounds to lose. I bet you drop 50 pounds in 3 months. That's how much our bodies are begging us to stop. But yet we keep doing it. We keep eating the BS thinking that I'm going to start a diet or I'm about to start my workout program. No, you need real life training on these addictions that we have. And I'm not here to sell you that right now. I'm here to tell you go 7 days without it. Go 7 days without drinking sugar in liquid form and go 7 days without eating any BS whatsoever. Come back and let me know how much you weigh. Watch how surprised you are going to be, but I'm not going to be surprised at all. Losing this weight may not be easy because we eat those foods because we stressed out, we tired, we emotional, we had a long day, we're bored, but it is simple. Stay away from that BS and watch what happens. Discipline over everything. Let's go.